Good evening, students. Today we are going to the topic plastids. Double membrane. It is found organelles found in the plant and algae. These membranes are present in plant and algae. These responsible for the function of preparation and storage of food. They are divided into three types of plastids are present in the plastid. First one, chloroplast. Chloroplast means green in color. Chloro defined as green in color. Chromoplast is a chrome means yellow, red and orange in color. Leucoplast means colorless. Plastids. Then structure of chloroplast. See the picture. This picture, envelope, outer layer, inner layer is separated by the intermediate membrane space. Then stroma. The stroma is a matrix present inside the membrane. It contains DNA and ribosomes. Ribosomes is responsible for the photosynthesis. The ribosomes are variables. Then the chloroplast contain chloroplast DNA. The DNA is a thread-like structure. Then it contains starch granules are present. Then ribosomes. Ribosomes are variables 70 years, 60 years and 80 years. All the ribosomes are responsible for protein synthesis. Protein synthesis. Then thylakoids. Thylakoid membrane, it encloses the thylakoid lumen. This is a disc-like structure that is also called as grana. Structure of grana. Grana is a thylakoid membrane. It encloses in the thylakoid lumen. Lumen is the intercellular space. Then the thylakoids are present in one above the another. Then that is also called as granum. The inter-between space that is called stroma lamellae. The cells also otherwise called as Frit channels. Then what are the functions of chloroplast? Photosynthesis. Photo means light. Synthesis means to prepare the food. Then storage of starch and lipids. Starch and lipids referred to as a fatty acids. So synthesis of fatty acids. That is fourth function of formation of chloroplast. It will produce the chlorophyll. It will produce chlorophyll. Then, what is the meaning of photosynthesis? Photo means light. Synthesis means to build. The photosynthesis are involving in the process of autotrophic organisms. Autotrophic means self. Trophic means food. To prepare own food, that is also called as photosynthesis. Photosynthesis are involving in the process chlorophyll and sunlight with the help of synthesis of their own food. The carbon dioxide is combined with water to form a carbohydrate means glucose plus water with the help of light and chlorophyll to release the oxygen. That is called photosynthesis process. Which part involving in the photosynthesis? Green parts of plant leaves, stems and floral buds. These parts also involving in the photosynthesis parts. Then photosynthetic pigments. Which pigments are involving in the photosynthesis process? Pigments involved in the photosynthesis. They are divided into two types of photosynthetic pigment. First one, primary. Primary pigments are involving in the process of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll means green pigment. This pigment involving in the photosynthesis reaction. Second one, accessories. Chlorophyll B and carotenoids. These pigments are accessory pigments. The primary pigments of chlorophyll, the solar energy is converted into the electrical to chemical energy. Accessory pigments are harvesting center. It is involving in the process of photosystems. Role of sunlight in photosynthesis. chloroplast, green pigment present in the green pigment also involving in the photosynthesis process. Then they are divided into two types: light dependent reaction, light independent reaction. Light dependent reaction otherwise called as light reaction. Then light independent reaction otherwise called as dark reaction. What is the difference between light reaction and dark reaction? First of all, discuss with light reaction. This reaction also called as skilled reactions or light reactions. This reaction was first discovered by Robin Hill in the year of 1939. The presence of light energy in the is thylakoid membranes. The photosynthetic pigments observe the light energy is converted into chemical energy with the help of ATP and NADPH2. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. NADPH2 is a NADPH2. These help of factors are involving in the thylakoid membrane with the help of stroma to produce the chloroplast, that's a green pigment. This green pigment is involving in the photosynthesis reaction. Then light independent reaction. This process otherwise called as biosynthetic phase. It is carried out by stroma. The stroma, the carbon dioxide is reduced, then carbon dioxide reduced carbohydrates with the help of light, ATP and NADPH2. The Calvin cycle, absence of light. Then carbon dioxide from atmospheric with the help of ATP and NADPH2 produced the light reaction, that is called biosynthetic phase. Then which factors affecting the photosynthesis? Two types of factors are involving in the photosynthesis. First one, internal factors, that pigments, leaf age, accumulation of carbohydrates, hormones. These factors are affect the internal factors. Then external factors like light, carbon dioxide, temperature, water and mineral elements. These factors are affecting the photosynthesis of external factors. That's all.